Hello everyone, this is Arkady from JoyT5. Today we'll continue our lift test series, and we're going to do a lift test on this diesel-powered mini skid steer JT5SSTM4. Both of these mini skid steers have plenty of power, and the limiting factor for lifting capacity is going to be the length of tracks and your counterweights. So let's take a look at the differences between these two machines. So we already did a lift test on the gasoline-powered JT5SSTM3, and it was able to peak at about 800 pounds of lifting capacity before tipping. Why do we think that the diesel one will be any different? So first, let's measure the length of tracks which are actually on the ground. On the gasoline JT5SSTM3, it is about 30 inches. On a diesel JT5SSTM4, the length of tracks that is actually touching the ground is about 50 inches, which is 65% longer than on a gasoline machine. Next parameter is the weight. The gasoline machine weighs at 906 kilos, while the diesel one is 1125 kilos. So there's about 25% difference in weight. In addition to being heavier, JT5SSTM4 also has its fluids, which is your hydraulic oil and the diesel tank, offset to the back, which act as your counterweight as well. Also, the diesel machine has a variable displacement piston pump instead of a triple gear pump. This pump will have a lot more flow than the 3 combined gear ones, and it's going to be a lot smoother operation. For the lift test, it's going to be a secondary factor because I do believe that we will tip the machine before we'll reach the actual maximum lifting capacity from the hydraulic system. Before starting the lift test, we leveled the machine to make sure that it's going to be the most accurate reading we can get, because even the slight change in the incline will influence your tipping capacities. This skid steer is equipped right now with these 3-foot-long forks. We have positioned the crane scale at the tip of the fork, so it is 3 feet away from the base. Throughout this video, we'll do 3 tests. One is going to be the 3 feet, 1.5 feet, and right at the base. Let's begin with the first test. Okay, the rear is off the ground. We repositioned the machine. At the previous test, we were able to peak at around 1,000 pounds lifting capacity before tipping. Right now, we position the crane scale at 1.5 feet away from the base of the forks. Let's see how much difference that's going to make. Okay, the rear of the machine is starting to lift. With the weight at 1.5 feet from the base of the forks, we're able to peak at around 1,250 pounds. Right now, we repositioned the machine, and the weight is going to be at the base of the forks. Let's see what the difference is going to make. Okay, the rear of the machine is off the ground. At the base of the forks, we're able to lift over 1,500 pounds before the machine started to tip. As you see, the extra weight and extra length of tracks made a huge difference. The capacity on a diesel machine is almost double as of a gasoline one. If you're going to have any more questions about our mini skid steers, full-size skid steers, excavators, or wheel loaders, please visit JoyT5.com or give our Canadian or United States dealers a call. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.